Hi, I am Nishtha, and here we are back with another video of Odoo Multi-Vendor Marketplace. In our previous video, you must have seen how you can register yourself as a seller and can manage your dashboard. Today in this video, we'll check how you can create, publish or manage your product as a seller, and also how the admin can create a product for a particular seller. So let's quickly check it out. But before that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and tap the notification bell to stay updated with the latest content. So here, as you can see, we are on the Odoo backend and this is the seller dashboard. We'll navigate towards the seller dashboard from the home menu, and then we'll create the products by clicking on this products option, then clicking on this new. Here you have to write down the name for your product, choose the category for which you are creating the product. Now you have to choose the product type from there, sales price of your product, customer taxes, barcode, HS code. Next we have variants. If you want, you can also create variants for your product from here. Then next we have sales. You can add pricing for your product from there as per the options given, like common price, minimum quantity, start date, end date, and apply on. Next we have e-commerce. In the e-commerce, you can manage these options: website, alternative products, accessory products, out of stock, show available quantity, out of stock message, and the last we have extra product media. Here you can add the extra images for your product. Then next we have inventory. In the inventory, you can manage the stock or the inventory of your product. So we're going to add the image for our product from there. As you can see, I have added the image. Now we'll click on this request to approve. There will be a request for this product at the admin end. So right now we are at the admin backend panel. So we'll navigate towards the seller dashboard from there and we'll click on products so that we can approve the product as an admin which the seller have created. We'll write down the name of the product, and here you can see the product which we have created right now is pending state. We'll open this and here we have to approve it or reject it. The admin can check the product details from there and can accordingly approve or reject the product by clicking on this approve option. And if the admin wants, the admin can also publish this product on the web by clicking on this publish. And next we can also check this product on the website by clicking on this go to website. Here you can see the product which we have created is mentioned with the name, with the details, and with the seller name as well. So if the admin wants to create a product for a particular seller, the admin can also create a product for a particular seller by clicking on this products again and clicking on new. Here write down the name of your product, choose the category from there. Now the product type, internal category, seller. For which seller the admin wants to create a product for, choose the seller from there, write down the name and write down the sales price for your product, customer taxes, barcode, HS code, internal reference, internal codes. Rest of the options are same as we have discussed in the seller dashboard, like variants, sales, e-commerce, inventory. These are all the options which we have recently discussed in the seller dashboard as well. So we'll add the image for our product from there. Now click on request to approve. As we are creating this product as an admin, so we can approve it directly from there by clicking on this approve option. And here if you want to publish this, just click on this publish option. And then we can check this product on the website by clicking on go to website. Here you can see the product, the detail, the pricing, and the seller dashboard as well, and the seller details as well. Now if the seller wants to check this product on the seller dashboard end, so the seller can also check this product. Let me show you that. Now again we are on the seller dashboard by going to home menu and clicking on the website, choose this shop from there and write down the product name which the admin have created. So you can see the admin have created this product and the seller can also check this product on the website from his end. And if the seller wants to check this product on the backend, the seller can check this as well by clicking on seller dashboard and going to products option. So here you can see the list of the products. This is the product which the admin have created for this particular seller. The seller can check the details of this product from the backend. Now, if the seller wants to check the product which the seller have created, then the seller can also check that product as well, that it have been approved and it is published on the website. Here you can see the seller can also check the product on the website. So in the next video, we'll check how we can purchase a product. This is how you can also create and manage your product as a seller. Stay tuned for our next video of Odoo Multi-Vendor Marketplace, in which we will see how we can manage the orders. Got a question for this? Reach us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. See you all in next one. Till then, stay tuned.